Hello students, welcome to all and ओम शांति। पिछले क्लास में थ्योरी रिलेटेड टू मोल कंसेप्ट को डिस्कस कर चुके थे। आज न्यूमेरिकल्स रिलेटेड टू मोल कंसेप्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। पिछले क्लास में आप लोग ये समझे थे रिलेशन एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट that is given in gram, that atomic mass, whatever you recall, the atomic mass that is expressed in gram, that is equal to 1 gram atom, the equal to 1 mole, and number of atom, that is 6.022 10 to the power 23. And if suppose that element remain in gaseous state as a volume at STP, that is always measured 22.4 liter. The related to compound, the same concept here, molecular mass of any compound in gram, that is equal 1 gram molecule equal 1 mole, and 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecule and 22.4 liter at STP. So dear guys, you must recall the relation here, terms in gram, gram atom, mole, number of atom and volume. So in numericals only one term will be given. On the basis of that numerical value you have to find the any other terminology. Suppose as a data given number of atom, you can calculate the weight of that element. Suppose that data given in mole, you can convert into number of atoms or in gram atom or in weight. And suppose mole converted to be volume. Likewise, any term given, the other term can be calculated. Likewise in compound or in ion also same way. So here some numericals here written. So just first you take easier numerical, then gradually I will teach the numericals related to mole concept. So one thing you always recall, the in numericals problem related to mole concept, one term will be given as a data and another term to be calculated. So first you take the relation between that given data and to be calculated terminology. So what's the relation here? So first line यहाँ आपको लिखना है, नेक्स्ट गिवन डाटा के आधार पे आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. सो लेट अस सॉल्व these problems. So in first problem what we have written, calculate number of sodium atom present in 69 gram sodium. So here data given, weight of sodium, that is in gram, 69 gram, given data, and the question here, number of atoms, question marks. So here the relation between weight and number of atom. So in starting you have written atomic mass of any element in gram. So here the any element, in any element here sodium. So what is the atomic mass of sodium? 23. So you can write 23 gram sodium, and that is equal to number of atoms, weight and number of atoms 6.022 10 to the power 23. On the basis of mole concept you have written here. So in given data you have to find. So in unity method you always write first whose data given. So here the data given in weight, so you write here as 23 gram sodium contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms. So therefore in 69 gram sodium, so according to unity method 6.022 10 to the power 23 by 23 into 69, 23 3 is 69, and just you calculate 3 2 is 6, 6 0 and 18 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, or 1.80 10 to the power 24 atoms. So, in the same way here calculate the number of molecules in 5.6 liter sulfur dioxide gas at STP. So, here number of atoms, and now here weight, and now here 69. Some students solve the given data converted into moles. So, if you convert into moles, so what is the mole here? That is given weight by atomic mass. So, given weight here given 69, at atomic mass 23. So, 23 3 so 3 moles, and you can write 1 mole contains 6.022 10 to the power 23. So, in 3 moles. So, that will be calculated by 3. Same way you calculate. Now, come to the next numericals. Calculate the number of molecules in 5.6 liter sulfur dioxide gas. So, given data here volume. So, 5.6 liter sulfur dioxide gas. So, here data volume here given volume, and you have to find the number of molecules, question marks, number of molecules. So, first you write the first line from mole concept. Here what is the relation between molecules and volume? So, at last in that relation, no, 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules, that is equal to 22.4 liter at. So, between volume and number of molecules here relation given. So, first line you know that, and on the basis of that given data you have to calculate. So, here first volume given. So, you write down first line volume. So, 20 by mole concept 22.4 liter sulfur dioxide contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, in given data 5.6 liter. So, you can write therefore, in 5.6 in 1, that is this by this, and in 5.6 multiply by that. So, 6.022 10 to the power 23 by 22.4 into 5.6. So, 5.6 4 ja 22.4 and 4 1 ja and 4 5 ja. So, approx you can write 1.5 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Is it clear? So, what is data given and what is to be calculated? First line you take from mole concepts. So, likewise you can solve that one, this relation. Find the weight of carbon dioxide gas. So, here to the question mark, that weight of carbon dioxide, question marks. What's data given? 2.07 10 to the power 22 molecules given data. So, here relation between weight and molecules. So, in starting we have written no molecular mass of any compound, in any compound here carbon dioxide gas. So, the molecular mass of here carbon dioxide 16 2 ja 32 and 12, that is 44 gram. Molecular mass of any compound in gram, that is equal to 6.1. So, weight to be calculated, that should be written last in first line of unity method. So, first of all you write the 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules, always weight here 44 gram carbon dioxide gas. So, first line here written on the basis of mole concept, it is written by mole concept. So, therefore, in 2.07 10 to the power 22 molecules, that is 44 by 6.022 10 to the power 23, and now here 2.07 into 10 to the power 22. So, 2.07 3 ja 6.022 and 22 here 10. Now here 3 1 ja and 3 4 ja and 3 6 ja. So approx you can write here 14.6 into 1.46 gram. 1.46 gram here 10. So you can write that one. So it is clear, any data given, the any other terminology can be calculated on the basis of mole concept. And some has then solve this problem, this molecule convert into moles. So here moles you can write here formula, mole equals given weight by molecular mass or atomic mass in case of element molecular mass. In case of number of molecules you can write the given number of molecules by 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. So here you observing given number of molecules and here 6.0, so that is mole, and 1 mole having 44, so that one here likewise. So first you convert into moles and then you can calculate, but 2 times you have to solve, so it will be better you solve like that, direct write the relation between weight and number of molecules. So one you have to calculate. Now fourth question, convert the volume of methane gas at STP if here molecules given. So here relation between volume and number of molecules, so you know. So here volume to be calculated, volume of methane question mark, and given data 3.01 10 to the power 22 molecules. Okay. So now come, so relation between volume and molecules, so you can write here 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. At last it is written now in that relation molecules and volume. So 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules equal the 22.4 liter at STP. So on the basis of that you can write this number of molecule always measure 22.4 liter. Here methane written, so you write methane. So therefore on the basis of that number of molecules you can calculate 22.4 by 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 3.01 10 to the power 22. So here 10 and now 3 2 ja and 2 11.4, so you can write 1.14 liter. Okay. So now slightly twisted fifth one. So I hope you have noted down. So it is clear. Now come to the last numericals. Calculate the weight of magnesium whose number of atoms are same as in 8 gram calcium. You have to find the weight of magnesium on the basis of 8 gram calcium. Here relation given, no. So what's the number of atom will be calculated of magnesium, that is equal to 8 gram calcium. So this weight of calcium should be converted into number of atom, and that number of atom are equal to the magnesium atom. Then on the basis of that you can calculate the weight of magnesium. So here weight given, weight of calcium, weight of calcium given 8 gram. So you find the number of atom, first one number of atoms on the basis of that data. So here the weight and number of atom, what's the relation between them? So in starting we have written no atomic mass of any element in gram, in any element here calcium. So atomic mass of calcium, what is that? 40. So you can write here 40 gram. Atomic mass of any element in gram, that is equal to number of atom, you always written on the basis of mole concept 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms. So on the basis of that data, 8 gram how many atoms? In 40 gram this number of atoms. So in 8 gram that should come 6.022 10 to the power 23 by 40 into 8. 8 5 ja and 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Okay. So approx you can write 1.2 10 to the power 23 atoms. And according to question here written, no, whose number of atom, whose means magnesium, whose number of atoms are same as in 8 gram calcium. So in 8 gram calcium this number of atom comes. So that is equal to number of magnesium atoms according to question. In question it is given. So that number of atom equal to. So one data it is known, magnesium, number of magnesium atom this one known, and now it convert into the weight. So magnesium atomic mass, that is 24 gram. Okay. So you can write that. Next calculation. So relation between weight and number of atoms. So magnesium atomic mass, that is 24 gram. So you can write here the number of atom magnesium given on the basis of that calculation. So here you can write 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms magnesium, that is equal to 24 gram. Here relation between number of atom and weight of magnesium on the basis of mole concept. Atomic mass of any element in gram, that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom. So now, so again you calculate, therefore in this number of atom 1.2 into 10 to the power 23 atom magnesium, that is 24 by 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. This one cancel. So approx it is here 1 here 10 you can write, and 6 2 are 12 approx that one, and 48 that one, and 4.8 gram. Okay. So clear. Now you take some question now. 6-1 that one, 5 question already solved. Now you write, calculate the number of atoms in (53 gram) sodium carbonate. Calculate the number of atoms of each element. Present in 53 gram sodium carbonate. This one numericals. Calculate the number of atoms of each element present in 53 gram sodium carbonate. So this is compound. So on the basis of that given data, you have to find the number of atom of sodium, carbon and oxygen. So in different way you can calculate this one. First you convert this 53 gram sodium carbonate into molecules. So on the basis of that number of molecule and weight relation, here the molecular mass of sodium carbonate how many? 106 gram molecular mass, this one. So in mole concept you have written, no, molecular mass of any compound in gram, that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23, that previous relation. So you can write here 106 gram sodium carbonate. This is first method. So what we are going to do, first that change into number of molecules, then that one convert into number of atom for each element. So 106 gram sodium carbonate always contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. So therefore in 53 gram sodium carbonate, just half, no, so that becomes half 6.022 10 the power 23 by 106 into 53, 2 ja 6. So ye you can write here 2, 3 ja and 1, approx that one you can write 10 the power 23 molecules, that one. So on the basis of this given data, 53 gram sodium carbonate, that is converted into the molecules, sodium carbonate molecules. So when you write the formula 1 molecule sodium carbonate, what does mean? In 1 molecule sodium carbonate having 2 atom sodium, 1 atom carbon and 3 atom oxygen. So here this number of molecule here written sodium carbonate, on the basis of that you convert into number of atom of each element. So you can write here 1 molecule, here formula, molecular formula written, that is 1 molecule. Whenever you write the formula of any compound, that indicate 1 molecule. So 1 molecule sodium carbonate contain